kunyari face-to-face tayo, hindi natin alam na ginagawa na tayo.
For you po, what do you feel about age discrimination?
Age discrimination. For example, we are, you are youth, and I'm old, senior citizen. And then, my feeling is different because youth today are very hard-headed. Unlike our senior citizen, because we are old, our teachers, our parents are very strict, and now the young generation now, they are very headed, they don't want to hold by their parents. That's all.
Okay. Second question po. What are the differences between your generation from our generation?
Your generation is you're young, you're youth, you're 17 years old or 16 years old. You are sometimes you are not listening to your parents, and you do not study well. You are barkada. You are barkada. In our case, our old age are very strict. Our parents don't want to stay outside. They want to study, so that we can finish our schooling.
Third question po. How do you cope up with the youth today?
The youth today, also the youth today are very, they do what they want, and they don't listen to their parents, and they don't study. But other youth are very masipag, study well, to finish their schooling, to give satisfaction to their parents.
Fourth question po. What do you feel when you receive the senior citizen card?
Very happy. We enjoy. We receive the senior citizen card. So if we have citizen card, we can use all the benefits. We can receive all the benefits. For example, when we are buying medicine, we have 20% discount. When we are eating outside the restaurant, we have 20% discount. And other more, there's a lot of benefits if we have a senior citizen card.
Great question. Are you aware of the Republic Act 10911 or the Anti-Age Discrimination in Employment Act? If yes, what can you say about it?
Yes, we are aware of the Republic Act
0911.
We are aware of the Republic Act because Republic Act is very, very important when we are already a senior citizen. We are very happy to receive all the benefits. That's all. Puro benefits.
What are the challenges as a senior citizen when you're facing right now?
Challenges. Okay, when we are senior citizen right now, we receive our monthly pension to have more expenses with our everyday use, everyday expensing our self.
Seventh question. What world events pertaining to age issues had the most impact on you?
The most
Impact on you. Pertaining. What world events pertaining to age issues had the most impact on you?
yes. Impact on me. Yeah. If we are getting older and older, we can go anywhere in the world to enjoy ourselves. Yeah. Before we reach the the one who is there, you cannot use anymore yourself, your body in enjoying going to everywhere.
Next question po. What would you tell the young generation about senior citizen like you?
The young generation today are there are a lot of young children. They do not study well. In our case, when we are youth like you, like others, we study very well. We review when the test is coming. We review. We are not cramming, so that we can finish our schooling. Like today, the youth only few youth are getting scholars. They are all some youth they even finish their school.